Hello everyone, Unicorn Lady Tech here. About to see if I can do a summer 2023 update on the garden. I'm going to start with my complainers of the sun who are sitting here in the shaded area. Sun is going down right now though. So we're starting with African daisies. And as you can see, no daisies right now. In the fall they'll be very pretty. Here we have my bee balm. I think I had this for almost 3 years, as well as the African daisies. Here we have my red and green bell peppers. And I just harvested them about a week ago. I put a picture in IG of what I harvested a week ago. And here's my cosmic purple carrot seeds. Still working on it. This is my azalea. Again, sun complainer. But it looks like it's bouncing back. It's got some green in there. The cabbages still growing. And this, my prize, after 3 years of trying to grow them, is, let's see if I can find one. There's one. Ground cherries. Lots of flowers. There's 4 plants in this 5-gallon bucket, which I'm going to have to up pot. But I'm going to have ground cherries once the sun takes them. My roses are doing much better now that they're in the shade. Purple angel trumpet, giving me a trumpet again. You can see it right there. Took a beating this summer. There's some kind of bug on them that would not leave it alone. This is my Jamaican sorrel. No calyx yet, but again, complaining from the sun. Swiss chard, yellow, yummy. Been harvesting all summer. And here I have some more carrots showing themselves. Mantis carrots, I think they call it. Here I have some watermelon radish. Most of that is weeds, but there are some watermelon radish in there. I had some at this function I went to, and they were delicious, so I'm trying to grow it. And here, a critter stole the top of my moringa tree, so I ate it. John Adams elderberries, doing absolutely nothing. So I'm going to stop watering it and put something else in this pot. I have my lilies down here, hiding 2 lilies in my thyme. My blueberries, 2 different varieties, 3 different plants. 2 plants of a smaller variety, and this one is a bigger variety that finally gave me fruit this year. Fig tree, Black Mission. Not doing so great. I'm thinking about putting it in the ground. I'll see. Peach tree, still hanging in there. And maybe if Texas winds stop taking my flowers away, my blossoms, maybe I'll get some peaches. And here we have basil, Thai basil, and cauliflower, lacinato kale, been eaten up by the grasshoppers, as well as my broccoli and Brussels sprouts. I got 3 whole ropes and tomato plants. These 2 came from there as a sucker. Right now this heat is taking away all my flowers. But this one was flowering the other day. Texas doesn't like flowers. Tell that to Lady Bird. Here is my herbs. I have sage, rosemary, parsley. Here, I'm covering from the rabbit, is my blue butterfly pea seedlings. I have 4 dahlias thinking about flowering. I have some beets in there. And I have 3 more watermelons coming. I gave 2 of the bigger ones a hammock. And the other one's still little down there at the bottom. Yep. And they are delicious. Here I got my purple kale. And I recently took off one of these down here and put it in some dirt. I'll show you that in a minute. Here's my lime tree. It's got flowers and buds and things on it. So I might get some limes. And here is what's happening with my red kale baby, pup, whatever they want to call it. Getting huge. And of course I gotta cover it from the rabbits. I'll fix it later. Those 2 are hopefully future goji berries. I put 4 seeds out, and 2 decided to stay with me for now. This is my Meyer lemon. Getting taller. No lemons yet. And my pomegranate. Also getting taller. No pomegranates yet. This is my desert rose. No blossoms on it yet, but it's usually got white blossoms on it. And the little friend down there. My pineapple from top of a pineapple. I think it was a gold pineapple, but it's still doing pretty well. Maybe in about 3 years or so, 5, 7 or so. And here's my chocolate cherry tomato plant. I took one off this morning because I didn't want the rabbit or whatever to get it, but I'm still getting more. So we shall see. Well, that's it, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Later. And one more thing, let's root for each other. Aha.